Sleep is very important for our body and daily life. After a long day of working or study, our body needs time to rest and recover. When we get enough sleep, we feel more energetic, focused, and in the better mood. On the other hand, we don't sleep well. We may feel tired, stressed, and less productive. For me, I try to sleep around 7 hours every night. Before going to bed, I avoid using my phone too much and try to relax my mind. Good sleep not only helps our body but also improves our mental health. So, I believe that having a healthy sleep routine is very important for everyone.